Fun facts about coding and programming. There are around 700 separate programming languages. Amongst this list, some of the most popular languages are JavaScript, Swift, Scala, Python, PHP, Go, Rust, Ruby, and C#, with millions of users utilizing them in both their careers and personal projects. However, new programming languages are constantly being created. According to many online studies, the most disliked programming languages are Perl, Delphi, and VBA. With PHP, Objective-C, Coffeescript, and Ruby following close behind them. Recent studies show that around 70% of coding jobs have nothing to do with technology at all. That's right, you could learn to program and apply this knowledge to topics completely separate from technology, like nature studies, geography research, and film.